Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at some of the reasons your Facebook ads might not be working. I have been doing Facebook ads for 5 years now. I had my agency for 4 years and I have spent millions of dollars on Facebook ads. So you can say that I know a thing or two about Facebook ads. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first reason your Facebook ads might not be working is that you're not using Advantage Plus Shopping Campaign. Advantage Plus Shopping Campaign is the newest campaign that Facebook introduced and it's leveraging AI and machine learning to optimize your ads. With Advantage Plus Shopping Campaign, there are no interest targeting, no lookalikes. You basically let Facebook do its job and find the people that are most likely to purchase your product or service. So the way it works is, for example, someone is looking to buy an engagement ring and you sell engagement rings. They visit a couple of websites from your competitors, then based on SKUs, meta description, your product description and your website, Facebook will show them your ads after people leave your competitors' websites. What you can also do with Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, you can be prospecting and retargeting at the same time. You can also choose what percentage of your total campaign budget to be going towards prospecting and retargeting. Currently, me and my team manage almost 20 accounts and we're using Advantage Plus shopping campaign in all of them and it's working wonders. The second reason your Facebook ads might not be working is because you're using cost cap way too soon. Cost cap is meant to be used when your pixel and your ad account have a significant amount of data, which will allow the cost cap to work. Because if you're just starting out and you start using cost cap, Facebook and the pixel do not have enough data to find the right people to get you purchases for the amount that you want them to get. For all of my clients, I never used cost cap before we spent at least $100,000 on the account. And then I start using cost caps and it works better. When you start using cost caps, start high. For example, if your target cost per acquisition is $20, you can start at $60 and each week reduce by $5 to $10 until you get to $20. There will be a point where your ads will stop spending money simply because Facebook cannot find people to buy your product for the amount that you have set. If that happens to you, start to increase the cost cap and then bring it back down again. If at some point you stop spending again, then you need to have more data in your account, so don't use cost caps and focus on the other campaigns. And the third reason your Facebook ads might not be working is because you have very low conversion rate on your website. Conversion rate is everything. If you have low conversion rate, regardless if you have the best ads, the best emails, and the best products, you will not be able to sell them. With bad conversion rate, you will never be successful. And if conversion rate and website optimization didn't matter, nobody would be doing it. The most successful brands spend millions on optimizing their website and landing pages because in their case, a slight change with 0.01% increase in conversion rate means millions. I have a ton of videos showing you how to optimize your conversion rate, which you can watch after this video. I have also created a free training which you can access through the link below in the description. In the training, you get a free Facebook ads strategy on how to generate more revenue for your business with Facebook ads. You get a free email marketing strategy on how to generate more revenue with your emails, get more subscribers, and how to optimize your website for higher conversion rates. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you for your time and I will see you in the next one. Bye.